Hi guys, welcome back to OpenTech AR. Today we are going to unbox Dr. Trust Pulse Oximeter Professional Series. Let's look at the box. Here's the QR code to scan for the demo and dual color oil. The Dr. Trust has a lot of modes: dual color OLED display, multi-directional display, portable and convenient big font display, sound reminder function, perfusion index, 8 display modes, approved by FDA and CE. And this side also they mention something: measures your oxygen saturation and pulse rate. This is for COVID-19. Dr. Trust, its a logo and designs package are registered trademark of Niagara INC. And this side we have, this has net weight 55 grams and GW 80 grams, dimensions 73 into 37 into 38 millimeters, lot number 202200206, that is a series number, and the MRP cost me around 4750 rupees from Amazon. This month and manufacturer 6 2020, ICA number, look at this, ISO and FDA, and some warranty information, and made by PRC. And look at the back side of the package, so nothing written on it. And this side we have something, the quality product of Niagara INZ USA, and this website www.drtrust.in. This has Niagara USA YouTube channel and Instagram page and Facebook page. Let's get to the unboxing. Let's remove the sticker first. Is packed nicely in the package with the duster like material, spongy material. Let's take it out and check it out what else in the box. What's in the box? Open this. We have warranty card, and this side we have, and let's put it aside. And this is operator's manual, safety sections, warning, and this is a lot of paperwork over here. Let's keep it aside and look at the Dr. Trust brand new oximeter, pulse oximeter. This is a power on off button and modes button, and there's a strap. Nothing else in the box. Let's quickly open this. Let's put it aside. Look at this, guys. This is neatly high premium plastic, made by high premium plastic in black and blue. We have two AAA batteries in this. We should not buy, they'll provide in the box. And this is strap key holder, and let's power it on and look at how it looks like. Dr. Trust SpO2 levels, finger out. Let's put my finger inside the pulse oximeter and look at my oxygen levels, 96 and 100. PL is 22.7. as you can look here. The lungs rate, bit rate is 21, and we can change these modes, switch this like this. And that's it, guys. and we can add this strap to this like this to plug in this. Let's power it off, and this is a strap. And that's it for this video, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Urban Tech. Don't forget to comment down below. Thank you and bye bye.